Alright, today we are looking at a Champion dishwasher. Technicians, take note of this. This nut right here is your spindle nut. Make sure you're taking a peek at them every time you service this machine. If these wear out, you can start to see we're grooving out a little bit. But if these wear out, the spindle will actually get in the wrong spot. So the spindle does fully come apart, so the spindle nut pops out. These are your little bearings that go with it. You can see there's a hole that lines up. And wouldn't you know it, that hole lines up with where the water comes out on the line. So, if you're ever servicing these, make sure to take the time and check these guys. The other thing that you'll have happen is up here, you have a pressure relief valve, or a backflow preventer, actually. And if this guy's leaking, don't start with a rebuild on him. Start with checking for this nut and making sure it's there and your bearings are in good repair. So what I have here is a great example of what happens when this nut wears out. You can see that this arm was hitting this arm and was slowly bashing together. You know, that's also going to affect your wash temps as well, because these arms are going to be spinning together and beating on each other. So if you hear tick-tacking, you want to check this guy right here. You do carry these on your truck. So you've got your bearings, 769730, and your spindle nut, which is 769729. Very useful parts, helps a lot. Every time you service, take a peek at these.